We are at Ardent Mills in Denver, Colorado, picking up our first load after home time. Things started off with a little bit of drama, but now we're here, pretty excited because the trailer is pretty new, but unfortunately, there are some problems. Stay tuned and welcome to the joy of trucking. Oh, and if you like traveling with us, remember to hit the subscribe button. You can also hit that like button. You can now buy us a coffee or liver dinner. And remember, if you want to drive for Crete, do use our referral code SLOKEV. Thank you so much. Hey, see that train going through there? Okay, now let's see. What's Kevin up to?
It's due for a T1.
Nice. Oh, that's not nice. Oh, but it's nice that it's new, because now they put the numbers on the side here, which is much easier to see, except we're often not looking for them on the side. Oh, that's interesting. What are you doing, honey?
My glad hand seals are really dry, so it's hard to disconnect them. It's a little chapstick lubrication.
With sunscreen, I hope.
Hurts bees.
All natural.
Organic.
Only the best for these Wabash trailers.
Yeah, that's really dry.
Maybe it's spent a lot of time here in Colorado.
There. Smooth.
Nice. Nice little trick, honey.
Yeah.
Good job. Is there a button inside
For what?
for opening this door?
Yes.
Wow. Magic. All right, let's follow him.
Brakes.
What? What's going on? Oh my goodness.
Look in here.
The hammer method works?
Look in here.
Oh no.
It's off the rim.
Oh my god. Hi. More drama with our load this morning. Okay. Well, Darn it. That's too bad.
Yes.
What's your plan?
Let's see, what's the plan? First, I'm going to charge the air in the trailer and hope that it fills that tire. But if the seal's gone around the rim, it's not likely. But that's the first thing I'll try. And I'm going to send in a daily vehicle inspection report for the trailer saying that that tire is flat, and then they'll send me a message saying call maintenance. And I'll call maintenance and I'll talk it over with them. They could send a truck here, a mobile repair, fix that tire, and we'll be here for a few hours. But
Or they might assign us a new load, no?
no, maintenance doesn't assign you a new load.
Or
I'll call dispatch and let them know that I have a problem, a mechanical problem. But
Okay.
the delivery time for this load is such that we can deal with this tire and still be on time.
Okay.
And the other thing is there's a TA just a mile or so from here. So if we can limp over there, we could get it fixed there too. But we'd be in line, so we could spend the whole day there waiting to get this tire fixed.
Right.
It might be quicker to have a mobile unit come here. So let's see what happens with this. If we charge up the air and see if it catches and pops that tire into place and fills it up. But that tire doesn't match the rest of them. And this trailer, it's almost new. So somebody had a flat and they put another tire on, and maybe it wasn't a good tire, or there's a puncture. That could be it too.
Well,
So let me go back and inspect the tire and look at it and see if it's inflating.
okay. And I would say this video is long enough with us coming to pick up our load. So hey, join us in the next video to see what happens.
A cliffhanger!
It's a cliffhanger, so give this one a thumbs up. Don't bite your nails out there, everybody. But do give us a thumbs up. Oh, Kevin's out of practice. And put your comments and questions below. What would you do in this situation? And have you been to a mill like this? It's huge. It's impressive.
Yeah.
It's amazing. All right. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. Hit the notification bell. Oh, you are out of practice. And we'll see you in the next video for the continuation of this drama. With love from Kevin and Tanya. Bye.
Bye.